How many cat toys do you have? We are very busy these days trying to make end meet, and to do this, most of us are away from our home most of the day. That action forces us to leave our cats or kitten at home all day alone. One great motivator for purchasing that cute squeaky toy, bouncy ball with a bell inside, or Mr. Wrestle packed with catnap is guilt. We think of our pets as part of the family, and we would feel that same type of guilt if we had to leave our children by themselves for any length of time. Curiosity may not kill the cat or kitten, but it sure can leave the house a mess when you get home. You need to have something for your cat or kitten to keep their minds and body occupied while you are at work or go for the day. There are some great toys for cats and kitten out on the market in your local pet store, Walmart, or online. I had mentioned the toy with catnap inside. They are great, and most cats will react to them differently. All cat except Australian cats, so not only are Aussie different from the rest of the world, so are their cats. The 30% of cats that are not affected by catnap are Australian cats. 60% of the cat population cannot help themselves from reacting the catnap, keeping them attention focus on the toy for 5 to 15 minutes until they become accumulated to the scent. Even after that, if the cat is away from the catnip toy for more than an hour and the toy is reintroduced, it will trigger an immediate response over and over again. That only leaves 10% of the cat population. They are the kitten younger than 3 months old that just do not know any better, and the older mature cats that knows better or just do not care. Cat and kitten have a built-in instinct within them to help bring out or develop this instinct. There are a wide range of interactive toys for cats and kitten. There are small birds or mouse that are fastened to a spring steel wire that are self-supporting, and other that attach to a chair, countertop, or door with a clamp. They capture cats' attention, and when they become interacting with this toy, whenever they swat, grab, pounce, or bat at the lifelike toy, it will dance unpredictably, bouncing this way and that, causing your cat or kitten to stay focused. If they concentrate on what the toy is doing, that will give them a chance at capturing its prey. If you want to keep your cat and kittens healthy, they need to be active, and exercise and play with them one-on-one daily will help keep the vet away. Sharpening their skill will help them grow not only physically but mentally as well.